welcome to another video on the YouTube channel. Today we are here at Motor Vinilo. You might be wonderful, why as you now we are working on the Honda Civic EP2 series. This weekend we have a race at the Calafat Circuit. Over there you can see the Civic. They are already getting to work on it. We are going to give it a pretty and interesting design. They are going to do everything and one on honestly. The guys at Motor Vinilo are absolute pro. We will show you the results, but we will also explain a bit about the process of this vinyl wrap because it's pretty insane. So yeah guys, like and we like the video, hit the bell and subscribe. Let's go. Alright, inside we have got this semi-packed seat from my friend and recambier 10 back shot out to them. They are using for the Tristan, while we have installed this OMP one with a full air camera, and honestly it's look great. Then we also have this great pronob which I really like because look how close everything is. Bum. You know everything is right there. I think it's awesome. The oil and mirror is stripped out as well. We didn't have time to paint it. The goal was to paint this white, but since we have been shooting, we have to leave it like this off now. We will paint it quite soon. So now I am going to introduce one of the guys from Motor Vinilo so you can explain the idea for the Civic. Alright guys, here we are with by. They are already working on the Civic. So yeah, and here I'll explain and bet what we are going to add so people understanding. Well, we are going to do the back with the Honda logo on top. With then now the side we will have a design with the word Honda powered by motor at the black and white style identically. Ideally we will also do good the roof and back, the mirror and back as the radar hatch with a smile design as well. You are guys with us. Let's move on to watching how they do you work at. We will also show you some effect shot. You can see all the effect back note into this. It's go full. We are here with Albero, who is going to explain something as you have seen in the cinematic shot. BSB apply and spray to the carboy, and he is going to explain what adds for and the cellular process. I assume yes. So it is a 3 million product as surface prep. We apps basically use at the clear and decontaminated surface is help improve the trip of the cylinder on the car, improve the trick and the group of the one on the car by and strap probably so cornel to lift up it in the legs and long as possible inside the triangle and all. Okay, I was so you could see the power by motor. Nice. What do you think like this? And on the other side it will do press close together lock good already. Alright, we will have and at like that. Now I will cut the white. It's going to look crazy also where so sun trap it. Did you visual how much root and you can put on this too. We will check depending on how much is left because the sun prep could be might white. For example, you would need to be gloss white like to not or trading right. Okay, I am said it because we already finally have matte white. I am going to show it's cross white science cutting. This might use quick a lot already then we will do the matte white. Okay, I will cut this and we will see how much is left. Maybe or it could be and read and the motor as well or the other way around. It's white and motor and red here guys, but only on the surface the sun strip. Yes already. Let's take measurement because we have also already do about to use some bed sign and something I usually put on my car, and of course as let's be amazing and race car. So yeah, let's see what we use for. Yeah, you are going to here we need to and cover. Bitwise you will learning on the way to another right. Yeah, look, you have got this here. You will need to learn and uncover so you can work with and all that way. Maybe you did have you don't have Mac cut the if you want to longer. Okay, longer. Okay. And here is the prompt. You can truly see in the measurement depending on the height you want at the. Okay, I did make an about 15 cm 100 kilometer on loss, so I doesn't reach the review mirror right this area here. Yeah, right, as also the hair the airline right product. Okay, and if we make it 20 of course because it line up perfectly, but with the bridge right here, I mean you can also do it with a cut and a little window so you can still see through. The kilometer might be better because then why is inspection ITV strike area strategy within in the section at the plenty were all longer about halfway. The problem with it will be when you did you with we will the longer you are probably reach here I will see exactly that's important. That we are with logo style center and the middle right also inside and check we don't have any usually issue while driving is principle. If there is no problem, we are going to 20 centimeter. Yeah, sound is perfect. We will put on the odd mode on it. We will do our odd and read. They are already print part of the material here, so we are going to do so. I'm going grab some breakfast with you guys want. We were inventing natural nourishment. Let's go have breakfast and why when I go out I can't forget we should off sunglasses and hunched post. I am our doing ideal life to like this the typical mean guys who always like this. And when you understand about the day and sunlight and why at the what we have to breakfast. I am a boy. I am in a boy and transformation play press. So I am not going to eat and sunset icon. I have stay on track. I am just going to have coffee with milk, orange juice, and green tea. Let's equal and food last night. There was a good dessert I couldn't resist. It's true. We are working on a body transformation and we need to stay consistent. But come on, let's hear and for morning they always and breakfast as important and strength instead of a full sandwich. I will have half. I am not having any sandwich. Okay, half we will our mold. Well, you did you see the shot I got where we will. What is this bro? Training head and week, eating healthy just to have a long sandwich on the Friday morning. Okay, a smile sandwich put here. We have got to enjoy it. So let's me eat. See you back and the workshop. All right, guys. I am a good breakfast. I am important and get up back here and there because it's the goal. And this video wrapping the EP2. We are going to start with the goal area and staying. This glass is big, wide, which is going to look amusing. We can't even mine how to draw. Well, when I finish, it's going to be insane. So no, guys, let's move on the some cinematic shot of you fly the wild. Honest, if I had to work and rap, I start already the EV2 and now finished while looks spectacular. We will show some cinematic shoot, but first we went to explain when I went. We are here in Bly and the it was a full day of work. The most difficult part was the side pan because you have to design it, cut and fly it. We also ended up going to sunstrap which wasn't planned at first, but the car turned on the music. So guys, as you going to